Hello coding lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my 11th video lecture on C++ programming. In this tutorial I'll be talking about C++ operators. In the previous video I was talking about storage classes in C++. If you haven't watched the previous video yet, just go to that video and watch it because that video is totally linked to this video. I'll give the video link in the description box below. Now let's get started. Okay, an operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical operations. So operators are some symbols which are used to perform some mathematical or logical operations. We will understand in detail. There are total 5 types of operators. We have arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, and MISC operators. Today I'll be talking about arithmetic operators. These are the arithmetic operators. First one is plus operator, which is used to add two operands. Now let's have a practical for that. Okay, let's open our text editor and write our code here. Now let's declare two variables. Suppose integer num1, and let's assign it suppose 10, and num2 equals suppose 20. Now let's declare one more variable which is called suppose result. Now you can perform the addition operation between num1 and num2 and store the result in result variable like this. Result equal num1 plus num2. Yeah. Now right side operation will happen first. The value of num1 plus value of num2, which is 10 plus 20 equal 30, and after that left side operation will happen and 30 will be assigned to variable result. Now if you want to print this, the addition is result. Now it will print the addition result of num1 and num2, which is 10 plus 20 equal 30. 30 will be stored in result variable and the output will be coming like this. The addition is 30. Let's build and run this. There is no error. Yeah, see, the result is coming as 30. Okay, now let's build a simple calculator which will add only two numbers, and those two numbers will be taken from user side. I mean, this will not be assigned before. To do that, you need to do some modifications. Just remove the assign, and you need to give a message here for the user. Enter the first number. Now we have a built-in object called cin. Like cout is a built-in object inside iostream header file. Similarly, we have one more object called cin, which is actually used for the opposite purpose of cout. Cout is used for the output screen, which is monitor. If you want to display something, then you can use cout. And cin is totally opposite. If you want to take any input from the keyboard, then you can use cin. Now, while running this program, after displaying this message, you have to take an input from the user. Now, user will press the keyboard and enter any number of his choice. To do that, we can use cin and extraction operator. Greater than symbol 2 times. This is called extraction operator, and this is called insertion operator that I explained already, and this is the opposite of insertion operator. Now, after taking the input from the keyboard, we want to store the value in num1. Now, what will happen at runtime? One memory block will be created which will be integer type. User will enter one value from keyboard and that value will be stored in num1 memory block. That's it. It's nothing else. Very simple. Now similarly, after entering the first number, you can display one more message for the second number. Okay. Now again, let's write this one. Cin num2. Now the second number will be stored in num2 variable and all the rest are same. Now let's build and run this. There is no error. Okay, now it's giving one message. Enter the first number. You can enter any number, like I'm entering 15. Now it's giving the second message. Enter the second number. Now I'm giving suppose 20. 20 plus 15, 35 will come. Okay, now let's run again. No need to compile again because we are not changing any code. Now this time I'm gonna give suppose first number 70 and second number suppose 30. The addition is 100. So this is the use of addition operator. Now let's move to the second one. Okay, the second one is subtraction operator. It subtracts the second operand from the first. That's it. It's very simple. It's similar to addition operator. I think I no need to explain. You can do it by yourself. And third one is multiplication. So this is also similar. It will just multiply. For multiplication, you need to use the star symbol. It will just multiply two numbers and display the result. So subtraction and multiplication operators are assignment for you. Just try it by yourself, referring the addition operator. And if you face any difficulties, just let me know in the comment section below. I would definitely love to help you out. And the next one is divide operator. It will divide the numerator by denominator. This is also similar to addition operator. Still, I'll show you. Let's do the practical for that. Okay, let's create one more file and save it. Okay, it's nothing, just change this operator. This is called divide operator. Num1 will be divided by num2 and it will display the result. So we can change the message here. The division value is result. Okay, let's build and run this. There's no error. Okay, first number, for example, let's enter 10. Second number, let's enter 5. The division value is 2. Let's take 1 second. The first number is 90. Second number is suppose 10. The division value is coming as 9. So that means it's working as expected. So I think similarly you can do for subtraction and multiplication. You just need to change this symbol. That's it. Let's move to the next one. The next one is modulus operator. It will give the remainder of an integer division. Let's understand more doing a practical. Now here everything is same. You just need to change this operator to our modulus operator. Now for example, if you enter the first value 9 and the second value 2, so 2 will divide 9 and remainder will be 1 and that one will be printed here. Let's build and run this. Okay, enter the first number 9, second number 2. Okay, the remainder is coming 1 but we didn't change the message here. We need to change it. Okay, let's build and run this again. First number, suppose this time I'm entering 20 and suppose I'm entering 3. Okay, remainder is 2 because 3 will divide 18 for 6 times and 2 will be the remainder. Now if I do this, suppose 21 and second number 7. In this case there will not be any remainder because 7 will divide 21 for 3 times. Remainder is 0 this time. Okay, this is done. Okay, the second last is plus plus, which is called increment operator. It increases an integer value by 1. And the last one is minus minus, which is called decrement operator. It decreases an integer value by 1. We need to learn so many things from these two operators. So in the next tutorial, I'll be talking about these two operators. That's all guys for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, just hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please consider subscribing to it and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload. If you have any queries or any suggestions to me, just drop your comment in the comment section below. I'll definitely love to answer all. Bye bye for today and see you next video.